Hi, I'm Katie, and in this video, we are going to go over our email template for Ask for a Review. First thing you're going to want to do, click Get for Free. This is going to download the template to your portal. Once you've done that, you're going to click Get for Templates and Emails, and then you're going to click Ask for Review to review the template. The first thing you want to do is review the template, and then you're going to want to add your link to the review page here. Once you do that, you'll be able to send this email. But make sure that you do add your review link, otherwise they're not going to be able to review you. Once you've done that, go ahead and click Save and Exit. Then you'll go to New, Email, select the correct template, select your account that you want to send it to. I'm going to send it to my test account, and then you'll click Send. This can also be added to your pipeline to make it a smoother process. If you have any questions, please reach out to us in the community or to the success team at success@taxdome.com. Thank you and have a great day.